Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about this beauty. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Anita, and if you're a subby, hi, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well. So yes, in today's video, I wanted to talk about this beauty again. This, my Birkin 30. It is in the Epson calfskin leather in the color anemone, and it's also in gold hardware. So yes, I wanted to chat a bit about this today. I purchased an insert, and I just wanted to quickly show you how it looks like with the insert in. I bought it from Zamoni, and I've purchased from them before, and I just love their brand. I'm not sponsored or anything. I purchased a couple of their inserts for my other non-structured bags, but again, I still want to put an insert in here just so that it protects the bag itself. I have it in here already. This is sort of how I store my bag. I have the insert in there, and then I also have some air bubble wrap in there as well. So Zamoni does also carry a bunch of different luxury brand inserts, again, for your handbags. They can also, I think, custom make it. And also there's all these little slots in here on the side, and there's a little small one here. So this is the one that I got. And yeah, and it fits just straight in there. No problems at all. So I wanted to chat on here sort of how I got my Birkin. It was probably about 10 months ago since I got the bag. I put this on my wish list back in about November time of last year, and they offered it to me in September of this year. So a bit of a sort of story. I am a Hermes client, so I am a customer of Hermes for a number of years now, but I never put this on my wish list, and some other items I had on there as well. I never really put it on there until last year. And I don't know, I guess for me and my sort of journey and experience with Hermes, I actually changed a couple of sales associates, and I used one for a number of years, and then she sort of left the fashion and retail industry, and then I would still purchase from Hermes, but I didn't have a sort of sales associate that I would go to. And at that time, through those years, I just didn't have, you know, someone that I met that I clicked with. Until last year, I met my sales associate, and she's amazing. We just had, we were quite similar in a sense where our personalities were similar in that sense, and I think that does have a take in it as well. I think you do have to sort of have some type of retail friendship relationship with your sales associate, and that kind of helps. And then she went on mat leave, and so her sort of replacement was amazing as well. She is a sweetheart. And again, I was quite nervous to find out whether I would get along with her, whether we just, you know, our personalities either clicked or we clashed. And it worked, it really did. She's very sweet. She was able to listen to sort of everything that I wanted as far as my wish list goes. And then it just kind of, you know, months went by, and she, you know, I basically sort of reminded her my wish list twice. Once when I went to get a rodeo, and the other time when I think I asked her about the petite H. And now they have the petite H in Canada, but their items are a little bit, you know, they don't have that many items on there right now just yet. So I'm hoping that more bag charms come in, just a little bit more other goodies that will come on the website for Canada. So I guess, yeah, when I emailed her that one time about the petite H, she emailed me back and said she had something to show me. And then that's when she basically brought me into, you know, the room upstairs, and she said she'd come back, and then she came and grabbed this bag out for me. If you haven't watched the epic unboxing, I will link it down in the description box down below. But it was unbelievable. It still kind of is, because it was such a short amount of time that I got offered this bag. And again, a bit, you know, last year, the essay that I was, you know, connected with, she actually offered me a Kelly dance in the same color and hardware combination, but I believe the leather was different. I think it was Swift leather, and I actually turned it down. Yes, I did kind of regret it, you know, in the beginning, but then at the end of it, I knew that my heart was really set on this Birkin, and I just, like, I guess had my foot firm on the ground, and I turned it down, and yet they still offered this to me. So don't be afraid to turn things down that you really maybe are hesitating over, or you're just not really in love with. They will still offer you what you want in your wish list. If you're just, I guess, if you show your appreciation and your love and loyalty for the brand, that's what I've experienced. I do have, you know, other luxury items in other brands as well, but because with Hermes, I actually really just like their craftsmanship and just everything that they make. It's just, I find it's quality. I don't have any, you know, major problems with any of the bags. And like I said, my Picatin and my Evelyn, I just kind of grab and go. And the leather, it just is so sturdy. So I guess with that said, the advice that I would sort of give everybody is, you know, that is trying to get, you know, a Birkin, a Kelly, or a Constance, that yes, I think, and I'm not 100% sure, but you do have to have a combination of, you know, meeting the right sales associate, timing, and where your loyalty lies with the brand itself. But again, like I said, I've just been a customer or a client for a number of years. And so for me, I don't really know the experience of not owning any Hermes and then just walking in the store and asking for a bag. I don't know how it could be. You probably wouldn't be able to get one. And that's sort of, I guess people call it a game. But if you really, again, truly like the brand, I slowly invested in their products, and then I started to appreciate and learn about, like, you know, different materials and just the way their company is in that sense, where, you know, if you really like something, you would continue going back. It's the same thing with any type of brand, like LV or Chanel. You tend to, if you like it, you continue to buy it, right? So I think with that, it definitely just depends on what you're looking for and what you're wanting. But I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm gonna put in here. I could put my full-size wallet in here. I could put a card holder and my car keys. And I have some lipstick and chapstick in here that I could slot in. Hand sanitizer and a mask now. I know these are new essential items that you need to carry in your handbag, and a coin purse. And yeah, so that just fits right in there. And then you can see there's a lot of room in there still. And I also have my phone, but put that in there too as well. So yeah, I just, that's sort of what my story or back end of it was. And again, I think it just depends. I think it's a combination, and it depends on, you know, what you're asking for in that time and what inventory they get as well, because they sometimes don't know, and I don't know if they rotate, you know, sales associates, and then they, you know, or when they get a bag, they just draw a sales, I don't know. Anyways, I think that's sort of where my story is with the journey of getting my dream bag. But if you have any questions, please comment down below. And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It is getting colder now. Today is exceptional, it is sunny, but we've had so many rainy days. And I just, yeah, I just hope that everyone is staying strong and being safe and just staying healthy. And you know, with being here, our restrictions are being more and more strict, and you know, I just, my heart just goes out to everybody actually. It doesn't even matter whether you're on the other side of the world. I think everyone is going through the same emotions and experiences, and yeah, I just, I wish everyone the best. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping to maybe put one or two more videos before the end of the year out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe as usual. But thank you so much. And again, if you have any questions, just put it in the description box down below. I will also link everything else that I've talked about today here. But yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.